So what's going on, guys? Today I got a special package in the mail for gator season. Let me show you what it is. All right, so this is what I got. It says, attention, foul smell is normal, do not discard. Can you guys guess what it is? So the reason I went with Gator Pro's Beef Lung is because it was basically, it was like 34 bucks for all three of these. Now, if you do the math, you're not going to be saving much more if you do it yourself, to be honest. I've done it myself previous years, and after buying wooden dowels and cutting 2-inch pegs, that's the way you got to do it in Florida. You can't do it with hooks or anything like that. You got to use the pegs. 2-inch I think is regulation by FWC, and by the time you get the beef lung, which is not easy to find, and then you also get the leader that it comes with. It's a thick gauge leader. When all is said and done, you're spending more on material, or about the same, but they do it all the work for you. So why not just maybe pay $5 extra and have them do everything for you? So plus they send you a cool little thank you. Look at that, that's handwritten, folks. That's good quality service right there. Now I will be doing a video probably demonstrating a little bit more how it looks, but I do not want to open this package because they're sealed in here individually, but then they add this plastic wrap over the top for leaking purposes, and that kind of stops the smell. This is stinky stuff. That's what gators like. So you can see again, there's the leader. It should have a swivel that you can literally just attach your fishing rod hook up to it, and they put it in a little dry ice bag or some ice. It was coming from Florida to Florida, so didn't have to put it in dry ice or anything like that. Now there's the pegs, there's your leader. Look at that gate, that is some thick leader, folks. And then you have the beef lung. So how it works is a gator's palate only opens and closes in one way. So when the gator sees the bait floating, because beef lung for the most part is going to float on top of the water, when they see the bait floating, they're going to smell it, they're going to see it, they're going to go for it, they're going to chew it. Now, just like maybe like when you're fishing for alligator gar and whatnot, you're gonna have them just bite it until you know for a fact that they swallowed it. Now their palate, the way it's designed, is that it can't come back. It can only go in, but it can't come out. It opens and it's not gonna come out. So with that peg there, the bait can't come out. That wooden 2-inch dowel pretty much gets stuck in their throat, and then you reel them in. It's super strong. That is some thick, like again, that is super thick line, so it should not come off. If it does come off, I mean, it does happen. That's why I got 3 of them. I only need 2, but I got an extra just in case. So it does happen. Now most of the time it is a successful way and a safe way. So if it does get away, the wooden peg, the dowel, is not going to kill the gator. It's just going to come out, obviously. Gators eat a lot of crazier things, and they don't die. So a little 2-inch piece of wood is not going to kill them. And that's the whole point behind doing it that way. It's safer for the gators. It's safer in general. So we're going to put these to the testo. Thank you, Gator Pro, for thank you for the extra little gift, and hopefully we get 2 gators. We're gonna go for at least 9 to 10 footers this year. Shipping, $10.60 for shipping. less than $3 for tax. The bait was $34. $48 is my total. Again, by the time you finish paying for the beef lung, the pegs, and the leader, you're gonna probably be at 30 bucks. So for $18 more, they did all the hard work for me. Why not?